Today is February 16th, Thursday, 2017. Here's Wild Kingdom today. They're enjoying themselves. They're out today. My bandit's down below watching. There goes squirrel, real close. Aww. And there's Bandit, real close. Like I said, he blinks, he blinks, he blinks. Here he is. Aww. Right up at my back door there, the squirrel is. Very close. Bandit says, I want him. And here's my princess. Aww. Hey, girl. My sweet girl. Aww. I was having spaghetti and meatballs last night. Chef Boyardee. I'm eating there on the couch, enjoying myself, Put some cheese in it, some garlic. Oh, this is so good. What happens next? I can tell you, just like with Danielle. Her cat comes over when she's eating. He come over, Princess. I'm eating, I can't hold it in my hand, and Princess investigating when I'm eating. And she's so persistent. I'm like, Princess, come on, girl. You had your breakfast. Or was it your dinner? That's really, I'm going to have my coffee shortly. And that was my dinner. And she had tasted the sauce. I said, I can't believe this. And she had tasted the sauce. My Chef Boyardee. She's such a pisser. She's such a pisser. Yeah. I love them to pieces. There's something. Oh, yeah. They are. What you see, Bandit? Oh my God, the squirrels by the back door, almost like knocking one to come in. Oh, that would not be a good thing. Oh, I'm not gonna go out, Bandit. He's guarding me. He's like cutting me off. He thinks I'm gonna go out. He's like, it's what they do sometimes. Some cats do, and he's stopping me from going out because I put some crackers out there, and he thinks they're gonna hurt me or something. It's so cute. So cute. Yeah. I won't go out, honey. Mommy's gonna get some coffee. That's what she's gonna do. Yeah. He's look at my coat. He's like, oh boy. Oh. Yeah.